Today, we're diving into the world of voice note applications for Android. If you're someone who loves to capture ideas, lectures, or meetings on the go, then this video is for you. The best voice note applications for Android are designed to help users efficiently record, organize, and manage audio notes. These applications typically offer features such as high-quality audio recording, easy playback, and the ability to convert spoken words into text through speech recognition technology. Users can categorize their notes with tags or folders, making it easier to find them later. Many of these apps also allow for cloud storage integration, enabling users to back up their recordings and access them across multiple devices. Additionally, some applications offer editing tools to trim or enhance recordings and share options for sending notes via email or messaging apps. Thanks for watching. We hope this overview of the best voice note applications for Android has inspired you to try out new ways to record and manage your thoughts.